What do a space shuttle and an elephant have in common? When a space shuttle is launched, it produces thunderous noise and very deep bass frequencies called infrasound. Although the human ear cannot actually register infrasound, it can still be scientifically measured. Infrasound spreads far and quickly. 20 minutes after the launch of a space shuttle, it can still be discerned at a distance of 1,200 kilometers. Similarly, the communication of elephants can also be measured and is discernible over great distances. For elephants don't just communicate by trumpeting alone, but to a certain degree by infrasound. Sound is a change of pressure which, when produced, always spreads in a wave-like motion. To do this, it requires a medium, for example water or air. The air is rhythmically compressed and then released. When such waves strike our ears, we perceive them as sound. These waves of pressure can be measured as frequencies. They indicate how many waves vibrate per second. The greater the frequency, the higher the pitch of the sound. Frequencies are measured in hertz. In humans, the audible range lies between 20 and 20,000 hertz. The range above 20,000 hertz is known as ultrasound. Infrasound begins at frequencies below 20 Hz. Although we cannot actually hear infrasound, we can certainly feel it. Depending on the frequency range, it can stimulate the human body in either a pleasant or an unpleasant manner. Infrasound can impair our eyesight and even our speech. High-end headphones like the new Sennheiser HD700 work more efficiently than human hearing. Their audio transmission range lies between 8 and 44,000 Hz. Although this doesn't make inaudible sounds audible, this does mean some sounds are more perceptible. Without technical aid, infrasound remains primarily a sensation. For instance, in the urban environment, this can be experienced through machinery such as washing machines, trains, ships, and aircraft. But structures such as skyscrapers, tunnels, and bridges can also produce infrasound. Some people feel it while others can't. In nature too, waterfalls, wind, volcanic eruptions, and earthquakes all produce infrasound. Unlike humans, some animals can hear infrasound and even produce it. The bioacoustician Elizabeth von Muggenthaler discovered that the roar of tigers contains infrasound components, which freeze its prey, instilling terror. Elephants, on the other hand, use it to warn of danger. Their trunks also produce deep frequency tones that function over great distances when seeking mates. Special cells on their feet and trunks allow their fellow species to tap into the infrasound through the earth. We humans do not have such antennae at our disposal.